So now, what do we have to work with? Let's check it out. We can push play on the song editor. I didn't want it to get that big. Great. Right. So now this is beautiful because what I can do now is I can go in and just play with the hi-hats and hear what's going on through the entire song. So let me push, first of all, let me go up here. I'm going to left click this button, which I probably didn't go over earlier. Sorry about that. This is your loop button, okay? And I'm going to right click the loop and drag it out to the number where I want it to stop. And that just means it's going to play this part over and over and over and over once I push play. Okay? I can get rid of that by pushing this again, or I can extend it by doing this and going to the next beat. And just for this video, I'm going to go ahead and create a couple more and show you why I like the flexibility of this. Okay. So for starters, when I push play here, notice the drums fall out, but everything stays the same except for the kick drum, right? And I can do some modifications like that as I go along. Let's take out the part. Right? So I really like that flexibility. But as I mentioned before, now I can go in here to my closed hat. Oops, I said I spelled open wrong. Let's fix that. Okay. All right. So I can go back now to my hi-hat, and I can listen to the song, and I can modify what I'm hearing here. So to get a little bit more full swing, I'm going to go ahead and highlight all the ands on my hi-hat. You hear that difference? A little bit more of a swing. I'll lower it down. I don't need my hi-hat to be that loud. Nice. Okay. And I can hear it in the actual track playing, which is fantastic. And I love that. And that gives me the freedom that I need to continue on. Now, if I'm going to, oh, don't forget to save. Don't forget to save. Save, save, save. I like to go up here to the top left. I don't think you can see that on my screen, but I go up to the file and I hit save every so often, every time I create something new so that I don't lose it later on. Okay, I'm going to close these out because we're not ready for those just yet. And I'm going to just show you that I'm going to add another beats and bass line pattern. And let's say that I wanted to change my kick drums. So, oh, yeah, why not? Let's do the kick drums, okay? So let's see what we have now. I'm going to mute this kick. I'm going to put a new pattern here on the new kick drum, and I'm going to put kick pattern 2. Let's hear what we have. Here we go. We're going to push space bar to stop it. I just want to hear from the beginning. I don't want it to go through the whole loop. Here we go. Sorry, let's do it with the song pattern. That way we can hear the whole song together. Again. Oops, sorry. 5, 6, here we go. Let's get out. Oops. Every time I hit the space bar, if I'm over here, it starts that one. If I'm hit the space bar and I'm over here, it starts this one. That's the one I'm going to go for now. So I can hear it playing back as I'm doing my editing. All right, so let's do a couple more of those patterns and let's see what we got here. Okay, you see how that works? Great. Now, just for a second, I'm going to put back on the other kick. I'm going to delete a couple of the new kick patterns and show you how songs are arranged. So now I took it out of my original kick pattern here, the last one, and I'm going to use the second kick pattern for a little bit of a change. Okay, let's hear what we have. I want to put this clap back actually because I didn't want to take it out just yet. Let's check it out. Don't forget to save. All right. Oh, you could probably save right here too. Yes, you can just hit the save button right here as well. Here we go. Right? And now we start having a song pattern. If I want to do some more claps in a different way, instead of going back and rearranging the claps that I had and changing it here, I'm going to go back and create another pattern, and I'm going to do another set of claps here on this track. This way, everything else stays the same, and I can still modify um, what I had done before as a variation. So if I'm not sure, I'll go back and look at it. Okay, it was there. Great. So now I'll come back to my new pattern, which I'm eventually going to name down here clap 2. And then I'm going to push play over here. I'm going to mute this clap for a second. And I'm going to just do a clap on every beat. Right, every one beat. All right, and I never put a pattern in my song mode. So let's see what I have for song mode. And maybe I'll put just one on the end there because we have two at the beginning here of the pattern, right? I'm going to turn back on my claps. And the green button here, I forgot to mention to you, is something that you can turn off the instrument just so you can hear other things without it, or you can hit this button and it makes it red and it solos and you only hear just that instrument. And that's the same thing that goes for this. You can solo just the kick, or you can take out the kick just for a second if you'd like. Okay, so let's hear what I've done so far with my new clap variation. Okay, I don't have, oops, I do have a clap there. Let's get rid of that clap 2, and let's see what we have. So I don't have two of the same. I can have two of the same if I want them to, but for this one I don't. Let's just take a look. Right, and you'll see here in my clap 2 pattern, I have that little roll, and that kind of gets the or introduces the next bar or the next pattern or the next section of the song. So you'll find in this program a lot of details on how and why things are done and how you can use them to make your music and your beats more interesting. Okay, so I hope that helped. Please take a second, play around with that, and then we're going to come back to the next video and we're going to explore manipulating the sounds, EQing, adding instruments and things like that. Okay, so thank you so very much. Looking forward to the next lesson with you.